Hi, I'm gonna show you how to set Quick Tap on Google Pixel 9a. So we need to start by going in Settings. And the most quick way is to tap on Search Settings and enter Quick Tap. Just like that. Now tap on this option. And if you want to use it, then you need to toggle on the switch near the feature like that. And then you can select for what you want to use quick tap, basically double tap. So there are a lot of features such as turning flashlight, as in my case, or you can set it to take screenshot or open any app and tap on settings icon to select which app will be opened. Here you can also set to require stronger taps, or you can disable it like that. And now let's try this out. So we need to tap on the back plate of the phone twice, like that. And now flashlight is on. To turn off, just tap again. But as you can see, this feature is lagging a bit, but it still does work. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.